Hey everybody, Chief Meteorologist Brad Penovich here. Quick update on the rain heading our way tonight and tomorrow. The good news is we need the rain in some areas. The bad news, some areas are going to get too much rain. And once all this rain moves out, we're going to have some beautiful weather for the end of the week. In fact, a true taste of autumn out there. Oh, we got a black screen. Let's see if we can't pop that up. There we go. That's a little better. You could see, well, I moved the screen. That doesn't help either. Trying to grab the screen the wrong way. There's the rain tonight. Again, this stuff's pretty light. So this stuff is really light moving through the area right now. But this is just kind of the beginning. I think it's going to be more persistence than a big burst of heavy rain, maybe several waves of this stuff moving through. As you look at this rainfall, let me show you the wider view. You can see kind of this plume or fetch of moisture stretches down into Florida. So once this kind of like fire hose gets over us, we're likely going to see the rain linger for a while. And for that reason, we're going to see this big plume of moisture sit over us for most of tomorrow. But then the cold front back to the northwest, and also that trough of low pressure. If you see that trough digging in, that's a dip in the jet stream. That dip in the jet stream, as it pushes to the east, that's going to help establish the cold fronts, keep the cool air moving in, and kind of keep all tropical systems away from us as well over the next 7 to 10 days. So tomorrow, as we look ahead to Tuesday, pretty high rain chances, 90% in the morning, probably bouncing between 80-90% on and off throughout the day. And we've actually seen a couple things happen tonight. We've seen an expansion of the flood watches, mainly in the mountains and foothills. This is the area where we've got the highest risk for flash flooding, not only tomorrow, but then again on Wednesday. You could see that risk in the medium range for the mountains and foothills. And for that reason, we've seen an expansion of the flood watch to Avery County, Caldwell County, as well as Burke County until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. We might actually see that extended even further. So here's kind of the setup. You see the stalled front, the waves of rain tomorrow, certainly pockets of heavy rain tomorrow, but then here comes the cold front sweeping in on Wednesday night. So probably some strong storms there, and then the front pushes off to the east. So a really nice setup for great weather for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but we've got to get through tonight and tomorrow right there. You see that heavy rain in the morning, kind of a little weak area of low pressure moving through. Something we call meso-low, which is a small-scale low-pressure system that can enhance the rainfall tomorrow. And then you see maybe of a lull, and then another big swell of rain probably on Wednesday morning. And then here comes the front right here. See the front? Wednesday night right in that vicinity. And then it pushes off to the east, and by Thursday, we're in the clear. So here's a quick look at kind of the setup here for rainfall over the next 5 days. And a lot of this happens in the next 24 to 48 hours. Notice the 90% chance of rain tomorrow, and then the 70% chance, as we go into the end of the week. So that's when we're going to see, end of Wednesday, excuse me, and then drying out for the end of the week. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday looks absolutely beautiful. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, quick look at the rainfall amounts. Again, I wouldn't read too much into the specific amounts. Kind of look at the range of possibilities, because here's the thing. It's not going to rain this exact amount in Albemarle or Charlotte or Concord. When I show you this, I more want you to look at for the range of possibilities. Notice, almost 5 inches of rain in Greensboro, 4 inches there in Albemarle, but you can see the general range is in that 1 to maybe 4 or 5 inches of rain. So 1 to 4 inches looks to be a pretty good bet for rainfall across the area. So I would expect some areas locally that see the heavier bands could see some heavier amounts. But once the front moves through, look at this. Dew points plummet, and we see really dry air setting up for late in the week, and really, honestly, some of the best weather we've seen in quite some time. This is our first real true taste of autumn air, at least from a morning low and afternoon highs. Sunny skies, highs in the mid-70s for especially Thursday and Friday. Right in here, these are the highs under sunny skies, so mid to upper 70s. But the morning lows, get this, could be in the upper 40s to low 50s. So a real nice stretch of weather, but we've got to get through the rain over the next 48 hours.